Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Factory. I will give you some important materials and matters regarding to the law papers. So let's start. So today the topic is nationalities, which is covered under the international law. So the nationalities. So the nationalities, so there is a very important topic which is covered under the public international laws. So the question is the what is nationalities and what is the various modes of acquisition and losing of nationalities, and is there any difference between the nationality and citizenship of India? Okay, so so this note is prepared by me. Okay, and regarding to the nationalities, so so first of all I says the introduction part of my topic. So there is a different philosophers and there is a different jurists are given the different type of definitions regarding to the nationalities. According to Stark, they says that these things, and according to Openham, he says that these things. According to Kelson, is also given the definition of nationalities. Okay, so and the second part is important of nationalities. So there is some important nationalities. So there are some important nationalities. And the first one is the right to protections. Of course, there is a democratic representative available of the nationalities, and the one of the effect of nationality is that the states has to right to refuse the status on its own nations. Okay, so and the third part I will discuss the modes of acquisition of nationality. Okay, so there is various type of modes. So there are various types of modes which is discussed below regarding to the acquisition of nationalities. The first one is the by birth. Okay, so by birth is as usual the by birth if any persons by birth is acquire the nationalities by the naturalizations. So by the naturalizations means it is a process of acquisitions. So a persons may acquire the nationality through the naturalizations in the different ways, like through the marriage, through the options, through the domiciles. Okay, so so the third one is by the resumption. Okay, so resumption means suppose a person who has lost his nationality is okay, and he may acquire the nationality in the same state again. Okay, that is called the resumptions. Okay, so that is called the resumption. So by the subrogations, the subrogations means when a person is acquired the nationality through the subrogations. Okay, when a part of territory or state itself subrogated by the another states. Suppose in the here it says that when a state is defeated or consequated at the all citizens of acquires by the nationality of its consequating states. Okay, like the Australian Germany's. So secessions. Okay, so when a state has to seized in another state all the people of the territory acquire the nationalities of the state in which their territory has been merged. Okay, by the options, the 50% of the options he can acquire the different states by the registrations and by the descent. So the descent means suppose a state may also be acquired by a person in the basis of nationality in either by the parents. Okay, if any parents is born of any countries, then the child is acquires of that particular country's nationalities. Okay, so and there is a many process which I will discuss the loss of nationalities. So the first is by the release by depreciations, sorry, by the deprivations, by the long residences abroad, by the remunerations, and by the subrogation. So there is a very easy process. Just you can see and you can written it and you can clearly understand that what I written in that particular point. So and lastly I say the conclusion part because it is a very important part when you written any notes in any regarding to any law paper in your final exam. So that's the conclusion is the main part, so I will also discuss the conclusion part in my last in my ending point. So that's all. So thank you.